Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ayuhu Sattva Balarogya Sukhapriti Vivardhanaha Rasyaha Snigdhaha Sthira Hrudyaha Aharaha Sattvicapriyaha. Om. Keep consuming sattvic food which promotes longevity, intellectual alertness, energy, pleasure and cheerfulness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Masuchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep consuming sattvic food. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajanta manupeta mupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 340th day. Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, oh Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas, they are talking to each other about Krishna Paramatma's divine form and Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam, saying like this, oh my dear friend, oh Sakhi, Nadyastada tadupadharya mukunda geetam Avartalakshita manobhava bhagnavegaha. All the rivers, They are, while listening to Krishna Paramatma's Venuganam, they are eager to attain Krishna Paramatma, and they come in a waves while rotating their waters, becoming waves, all the way coming to the feet of Krishna Paramatma. Murarehe grunhanti padayugalam kamalopaharaha. Those waves coming to Krishna Paramatma's divine feet and hugging Krishna Paramatma's feet. Not only that, while holding Krishna Paramatma's feet, those waves, whatever the flowers they brought, they are putting in between Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. Like that, all the rivers, they are doing archana to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Ho Sakhi, look at those clouds. Because they have so much of affection, love towards Krishna Paramatma, they are expanding their bodies in the space. Like that, they are becoming beautiful umbrellas to Sri Krishna Paramatma. And they want to shower the flowers on Krishna Paramatma. In the form of that Pushpa Varsham, they are releasing beautiful drizzling water drops on Krishna Paramatma, just like Pushpa Varsham. Like that, clouds, they are offering their seva to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Vanita చూడు మంచి ఫలంబులు హరిచేనించి కరాళంబణముల నెగుడుచునిదే క్రీడించెద రంగణ చూడుము. Oh my dear friend, oh Sakhi, look at those girls who are living in these forests. They are coming to Krishna Paramatma. They are bringing some fruits for Krishna Paramatma, Govinda. They are putting those fruits in the hands of Govinda. And with that kind of excuse, they are touching their hands with Krishna Paramatma's hands and enjoying that divine touch, and they are playing around Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 8th sloka. Ayusattva balarogya Sukha Priti Vivardhanaha Rasyaha Snigdhaha Sthira Hrudyaha Aharaha Satvika Priyaha. Ayusattva balarogya Sukha Priti Vivardhanaha Rasyaha Snigdhaha Sthira Hrudyaha Aharaha Satvika Priyaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.